we are going to today we are going to define formula functions, and then we are going to do some examples of formulas. So let's begin. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, let's begin. So what is a formula? A formula is a set of mathematical instructions that can be used in Excel to perform calculations. Formulas are just the formulas that are applied in mathematics are the same formulas that are applied in Excel. For example, the addition formula 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. That is the same way you apply the formula in Excel. Formulas are started in the formula box with an equal sign. So in Excel, when you type a formula, you start it with an equal sign. We will see that practically when we move. Okay. And then there is a function. What is a function? A function is a built-in formula in Excel. So for example, you want to add and you don't want to use the plus sign. You can use a function that is in Excel. It is inbuilt. You can just call it and then it will add for you. A function has a name and arguments. The mathematical function in parentheses. Okay, a function has a name, for example, the add function, and then it has arguments in parentheses. We will also see what this is. Common functions in Excel include sum, which adds cell arguments, average, which calculates the average, references, it references cell, operators, constant, mean, which finds the minimum value, I'm sorry. Okay, let me mute root. She has a bit of noise. There is mean, which finds the minimum value, max, which finds the maximum value, counts, which counts the number of cells containing a numerical value within a range of argument. For example, you have a data set, you have a column which has numbers, and you want to know how many columns contains the number 5. You will use this count function. So a function library. The function library is a large group of functions on the formula tab of the ribbon. Okay, we will see this when you move on, but today we are not going to reach here. We are going to reach here. We are going to reach here, this slide. This is where we are going to stop at. So let us now do practicals. Let me share another screen. Okay, so I would advise you to please open your Excel so that we can do this together. So for example, we have one column, let's call it number 1. And then we call this number 2. Then here we have values like 11, 12, 15, 117, 111, 81, 31. Then here we have values like 109, 30, 31, 17, 1, 1000, 21. So And then here we have the total column. So here, for example, let's now start with formulas. For example, you want to do the addition formula. You just come and type is it the equal sign, and then you type we want to add cell 2A plus cell 2B. So it will be cell 2A plus cell 2B. And you press enter. It will give you 120. You do the same here. Is equals to, okay, another way to do this, another shortcut to do this is to press the shift button and then to go to the cell you want to add. For example, I want to add 3 and 3B, so I'll just press the shift button and then come and click on 3A and then add the plus sign and then press the shift key down and then come click on 3B. Then I enter. There, we have added. We have added. We can do this also here. Let's try it again. You do an equal sign. You press the shift key. You come to the cell you want to add. And then you put the addition sign. Then you do that again. You hold the shift key down. You click on the cell you want to add again. Then you press enter. And there you have done your addition. Also, I want to show you something else. There is this small square on the cell that you are in. You find that the boundary of the cell has a little green small square. For if you want to perform the total of all this column, okay, let me clear this and clear this. If you want to add all the rows together, for example, you want to perform addition of every row. You want to add 2A and 2B, 3A and 3B, 4A and 4B, up to 8A and 8B. Instead of adding each and every row alone, you can just come and click that small square, and then you hold your left button of the mouse, you hold it down, and then you pull, and there it performs additions for you. You don't have to calculate every row. If you want to add like this, you don't have to go each and every row calculating. This is an easier way to do it. Excel can also do subtraction. For example, I can come here and change this addition to subtraction and press enter, and there it has subtracted for me. We can also do division. This is a 3. Okay. We can also do division. And we can also do multiplication. Yes. So as you can see, these functions are not really complicated. They are just simple. It's like mathematics, but now it is like mathematics, but it has been automated. Instead of you adding in a piece of paper, you just come and do it online, which is automated. The advantage of this is that if I change, for example, I change this value here and put 40, the total automatically corrects itself. I don't have to come and correct it on my own. It will automatically correct the answer. Yes. So those are formulas. Now let's go to functions. So for example, you want to perform an addition and you don't want to put this plus sign over here. You can just come to formulas and then you do AutoSum. then it adds. For example, okay, let me try it on another cell so that you see how it's done. It will add. Okay, AutoSum automatically adds the whole column that you are in. It gets the sum of everything. That is what AutoSum is. Okay, so let us do an addition, a sum, a simple sum. So for example, you want to do summation. Let me reference another cell there, and then sum. It will bring me this box that I'm supposed now to fill. The number 1 is the first cell that I want to add. For example, I want to add 3A. So I come here and type 3A. And then I want to add 3B. Yes, there it is. It has added. Though it is throwing me an error, I don't know why. Let me try again. Sum. It has added the whole thing. So the other advantage of this is that it is automated. As you can see, if I come to this column here, or if I come to this cell, column C, and then if I come to 3C and say I want to do sum, it is going to reference 3A and 3B. I say okay, and then it adds for me. The same applies to if I come to the cell 9A. It will reference from 2A to 8A. And then it performs the addition. So yes, that was all that I was supposed to take you through today. I want you I want to give you an assignment. I want you to go and research more about AutoSum and also research more about functions. And I will give an assignment, and there will be 2 questions, one for functions and another one for AutoSum, so that I motivate you to do the research also. If anyone has a question, please ask. The class won't take long because the lecturer is, the instructor is not around today, but he will come and compensate for this class. I was just supposed to teach you something so that you don't go empty today. If anyone has a question, please ask.
Okay, you can hear me now.
Yes.
Okay, the assignment is going to be on summation and also you say AutoSum.
Yes,
So that's
the assignment is going to be on formulas, functions, and AutoSum. So I want you to research on functions and AutoSum. I want you to go and read ahead on functions and AutoSum.
I have notes on this.
Yes, there are notes I can send.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for attending the classes. Thank you for listening to me. Yes.
thank you, Yvonne. You did good.
Okay,
Thank you.
You have understood?
Yes.
Okay.
I came in late, so I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. I'll just share the notes, and also I'll share this recording. You can just go through it again.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, and have a good night.
Have a good night
You
as well.
too.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Okay. I am
Oh, no, over there is daytime.
over
So
here.
No,
No,
enjoy your afternoon.
3
3 a.m. in the
3
morning.
a.m.
Oh,
She
it's
do.
morning.
Yes.
Okay. My goodness, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
You
just
guys are
7 hours ahead.
we're messing up your sleep.
No problem.
Imagine.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Yvonne. Enjoy your sleep.
Thank you.
All right. All right, Ruth. Thank you.